Earth's resources and man. The resources on which mankind is dependent or provided by various sources or spheres. First, atmosphere. Oxygen for human respiration, metabolic requirements. Oxygen for wild fauna in natural ecosystems and domestic animals used by man as food. Oxygen is a part of carbon dioxide used for the growth of plants, in turn are used by man. Second, hydrosphere. Clean water for drinking, a metabolic requirement for living processes. Water for washing and cooking. Water used in agriculture and industry. Food resources from the sea, including fish, crustacea, seaweeds, etc. Food from fresh water sources, including fish, crustacea, and aquatic plants. Water flowing down from mountain ranges, harnessed to generate electricity in hydroelectric projects. Three, lithosphere. Soil, the basis for agriculture, to provide us with food. Stone, sand, and gravel used for construction. Micronutrients in soil essential for plant growth. Microscopic flora, small soil fauna, fungi in soil, important living organisms of the lithosphere, which break down plant litter as well as animal waste to provide nutrients for plants. A large number of minerals on which our industries are based, oil, coal, and gas extracted from underground sources. It provides power for vehicles, agricultural, machinery, industry, and for our homes. For biosphere, food from crops and domestic animals, providing human metabolic requirements. Food for all forms of life which live as interdependent species in a community, and from food chain in nature on which man is dependent. Energy needs biomass fuel, wood collected from forest and plants along with other forms of organic matter, used as a source of energy. Timber and other construction materials. Nuclear cycle. Thank you. Have a nice day.